everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 12th to the 16th of September 2022 on Monday. Vika has a change of heart with regard to his father. Pastor Kola's powerful sermon touches lives and bring hope to the hopeless Nunka out there. Sondo is checking out of this relationship, and Mbata is too caught up in his own cloud to see on Tuesday. Lily considers cutting ties with someone close to her on Wednesday. Commissioner Tolle throws a spanner in the Twala investigation. The Kaba House faces many challenges while Vika's gift receives a cold reception on Thursday. Kapsile is left embarrassed during her live show when the police barge in uninvited. Nosipho finally receives good news. Vika decides to take matters into his own hands when trying to secure his first contract on Friday. Mr. Twala's murder continued to hunt the Mhlongos as they face Sitole's wrath. Bamtsimbi's attempt to bring Vika back is unsuccessful. Nunka is crestfallen for not getting the warm welcome she anticipated from the club. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.